Alright, welcome to video 13 in our PowerPoint 2013 series, getting you ready for the 77-422 exam. My name is Adam Beasy, and I am going to be your instructor for this video series. Alright, so lesson 13, what we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to learn to insert and format images. And this is where the true power in PowerPoint comes along, if I can make that little pun. So what we're going to do is learn how to insert images before you can learn how to do anything with them. So to insert an image, I'm going to click the Insert tab in my Affluent ribbon. If you have any pictures you want to use, maybe it's in your computer, on your file system in your computer, you can click Pictures. I don't have any on this computer because this is just a lab PC that I'm using. But they're typically located in the Pictures folder, and there's none there. They don't even give you any sample pictures in Windows 8. Wow, okay. If I want to find a picture online, click Online Pictures. Of course, you have to have an internet connection for this to work. And let's say that I'm going to look for a picture of a dog. Okay. Should be pretty audience friendly. Here we go. We're going to pick this little guy right here. Okay. And we're going to click Insert. Alright, cool. Now, that's how you insert a picture. You can copy and paste a picture from another application. You can do all kinds of neat stuff like that, but we're just going to pick on this dog for now. I'm going to resize this image. The way I'm going to resize this image is a couple different ways. You can pick one of the horizontal or vertical squares here, and you can resize it either horizontally or vertically. Right? Maybe one little longer dog or something like that. You can go through on the Format tab, because once you have a picture selected, right, the Format tab becomes visible, and you can hard code some values here. If you have a particular set of dimensions in mind that you want to use, 3.5. There we go. And he shrunk up a little bit. There we go. You'll notice that when I put in 3.5, the width also changed as well. This is because the lock aspect ratio feature is turned on. Alright, and we can turn on that by clicking this little guy right here down in the lower right hand corner of the Size section of the Format tab of the Affluent ribbon. And I can uncheck the box that says Locked Aspect Ratio. And what this does is, if you have it checked, which I recommend you have it selected for pictures, is it keeps things from getting a little too wonky. You know, if you change the height, the width will change along with it in a certain ratio. Okay, and we can even see that even if I go and just randomly do that. There we go. Go not really if I resize it using these things here, because usually if you resize it like this on purpose, it's going to let you resize it any way you want to. If you want to keep the aspect ratio and use the mouse to resize it, if you grab one of the corners and just go up or down that way, that's usually the best way to do it. Like I said, unless you really have some hard values that you want to put in there, then you can do it. Alright, so next thing, crop images. Maybe I just want the dog's face, right? Maybe I don't want his arms and his legs and stuff like that. So we're going to crop Rover up here. And to do that, I go to the Format tab of the Affluent ribbon. If you do not see the Format tab, make sure you have the picture selected. Remember, if you don't have the picture selected, no Format tab for you. So you got to make sure you have the picture selected. You click the crop. You can crop it to a shape if you want to. You can do a certain aspect ratio. You can do, there's some other options here. Right? Well, we're just going to go with good old crop. Here we go. And you'll notice that my picture, the resize handles become crop handles. So all you do is you move on in on what you really want here. go. Give the computer a second to catch up with itself. I didn't want to move it. I wanted to crop it. Thank you very much. Now may I do that? There we go. You can also go by the corner here. I don't want to get his tongue, but anyway. There we go. Now we've cropped that picture. Okay? And I'm going to click the picture again. What if I want to crop just to a shape or something? Crop to shape. And we'll go with a circle right here, right? That don't look half bad, I guess. There we go. I guess that looks okay. Some other things we can do is we can apply effects to this image. We can put a border around this image. Let me go back to my original picture of the dog here. Insert online pictures. And does it keep what we were searching for? Nope. Okay. There we go. And the format to picture task pane comes up as well. We can do artistic effects to this. There we go. Oh, yeah, go. What do you get when you combine Minesweeper and a dog? Probably something looks a little like that. Did it not believe me when I clicked on it the first time? Come on, computer. Alright, let's try another one here. Maybe it just doesn't like me today for some reason. It should still do it even though I downloaded this one online. What if it locked it somehow? It's just taking forever to do it. If I had PowerPoint, oh, there we go. It's a little lighter now. Get a little lighter coloration of Rover here. But you get the idea. You can make these changes as you want. We can even do picture styles. I'll show you that once this thing catches up with itself. I don't know why it's so slow today. Interesting. I am using this through a virtual machine, so I can wipe it out and redo it as I want to, and I do not have to set a whole bunch of other stuff up to do it. Maybe that's it. There we go. I can change the color of it. There you go. Green dog. Maybe he ate something bad and now he's all green and gonna, throw up or something. Who knows? Right? Corrections. There we go. We'll make him the dark green dog. Sounds like a cool name of a superhero. The dark green dog. And if I make a whole bunch of changes that I really don't like, I can just reset my picture. And he comes back to normal. Alright, picture styles. You have all types of picture styles you can choose from. I can put a nice little beveled edge thing around him there. Hey, it's Rover in a box. Anyway, it's Rover in a pill. It's Rover in the Phantom Zone. Alright, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll keep Rover in the Phantom Zone. How about that? Alright, we can put a border around our pictures. Picture effects. We'll use soft edges here maybe. Sometimes this stuff doesn't work with one another. It doesn't play well, but that's alright. we'll go for a softer, gentler phantom zone. Here we go. Picture layout, really not a whole lot we can do with that, I don't think. Let's click on something and try it. Why the heck not? It's labbing. I don't like that. So I'm going to undo that. There we go, back to the phantom zone for Rover. Alright, and you just do a whole bunch of other stuff. This is what you can do really neat with pictures in PowerPoint. You can take the picture, you can crop it, you can resize it, you can apply certain effects to it, you can just do so much more with it. Alright, oh, I don't have the format tab selected. I was wondering what happened to it, but I must have bumped back to the home thing back to it. Remove background. There's really not a background to speak of, so I don't think that'll do anything for us, but let's check it out anyway. Alright. We'll keep changes even though we didn't make any, just to get... Whoa! Okay. Well, that was kind of unexpected. We can always click undo. There we go. Alright. So, pictures in your PowerPoint presentations, you can really have like a lot of fun with those. So what if I wanted to go online here, and I want to find a picture of yeah, whatever. Okay. Goodbye, Internet Explorer. Let's just go to Google here because it's going to take Microsoft site forever to come up. There we go. And I'm going to go to Images. And here we go. Search for, let's say, Batman. Cool. Alright, here we go. That's a good picture right here. And what I want to do is copy that. I wonder if I could paste that right into PowerPoint. I think I can. You don't know till you try, right? Paste options, picture right there. Boom. There's Batman. Except I want to put him on this slide here. Okay. Cut him out. I'm going to go to a blank slide here. Or a slide that's pretty much blank anyway. You can get rid of that. Might have to reboot my computer after this video. There we go. Let's enlarge the size of him here. I am the knight. I am Batman. Okay. And I just want Batman. I want to crop all this stuff out here. So, go to Format tab, Crop. And this isn't as feature-rich as something like Photoshop or anything like that. But it'll get the job done in a pinch. I'm sure if a graphic artist is probably watching this, they're probably retching in fear and turmoil as I use Photoshop to edit images. Alright, let's try that remove background thing again. Here we go. And we're going to see what happens when you let computers make logical decisions for stuff here. Alright. And keep changes. Hey, there we go. That wasn't half bad, was it? Alright, so in this lesson we learned all about inserting and formatting images, how to resize images right to where the proportions are correct or the aspect ratio is correct. We learned how to crop images. We learned how to apply effects and styles. We even learned how to remove the background on an image. That's actually pretty darn decent. Alright, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you've learned a lot. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.